What's up, Courtney here. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to me. I'm not going to go through the spiel because because this is a super fast get ready with me, like 10 minutes out the door type of look. So if you want to see how I got this look, keep on watching. I will be right back. I'm going to go through a really quick, fast routine of how you can get a very decent look on your face and have it be like I can wear it to work, or have it be like if you're rushing to a doctor's appointment, or if you're rushing to take your kids somewhere, or if you're whatever it may be. So first time I've already, basically just the only thing I put on was like a moisturizer. I do want to put on a pore filler though. I've been having some major issues with my pores. So, and that's just because it's so hot, and that's just what happens in the summer for me, the benefit. And I'm going to put it in the areas where my pores have been very, 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 very visible. Okay, next I want to make sure I have hydration under the eyes. So I'm going to use the e.l.f. Under Eye Primer. And you guys are probably going to freak out when I say this, but I'm actually planning on going in with a powder foundation. And because my skin is a little more oily right now, it's something I could throw on, and it's a perfect color match for me. I'm actually going to go in with a Bare Minerals foundation that is actually probably expired. It does have sunscreen in it. It's in the color R250, and it is actually pretty deep. So I'm going to go ahead and go in with this, and I'm just going to start working this on the face. So I'm going to go in with a little bit of this Yenza, this BC concealer foundation, because it's a full coverage. I'm going to use it as a concealer. This whole process does is it saves a step as far as blending goes. It's blending foundation. That mixed with doing your eyes, it takes the most time. For me, it does, at least. My KKW brightening powder and this Anastasia brush, and I'm gonna go into this, and I'm gonna just basically like set under the eyes and brighten them at the same time. Okay, so now that I have that done, I'm going to go in and I'm going to do a quick bronze. And for that, I'm going to just use my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil. You guys see, like, my backlights aren't even on. Like, I'm just, like, this is, like, seriously a super rush job. So I'm going to go in and just do a bronze here. And I'm not going to contour like I normally do. It's just going to be a nice little flush of bronzy color. Okay, sorry you guys, I had to answer the phone. Alright, so I'm going to use my Anastasia blush, and this is the trio, the blush trio. I think this is Pool Party. You guys know I have to blush, right? I can't go without blush. Blush my whole face and be a happy girl. So, but yeah, I'm in a rush trying to get to work, and I figured, what better to show you guys like a real life, like, hey, I'm in a hurry to get out the door. I have done one of these before, and I can't remember if I posted it or not, but I know if I did, it was a long time ago if I did. So I'm going to take blush down the center of my nose and also right here on the chin, because one of these is kind of shimmery. So if I wanted to skip the highlighting step, if I was really, really, really pushed for time, like if I wanted to skip that step, I could. But like as of right now, I've used up literally, because of my phone call, I've used up like 14 minutes. Bring out the Ofra Panned Nikki Tutorial highlight here, and I'm gonna go into the middle shade here, not the darker shade, but which I did tap into that, but the lighter of the two browns, and then just kind of tap back and forth with the white. And I'm just gonna put a very, very beautiful little glimmer of light here. I'm not gonna highlight like I normally do. I hope you guys can see this because the light is starting to change in this room. So really, if you guys can see it, you guys can tell that I am very tired. I have these like weird circles under my eyes, and no, I'm not happy about it. But so for brows, I have a way to make it super simple for me. I don't know, I know a lot of people can't do this, but I'm gonna take just the only Jeffree Star brush that I own, and I'm actually just gonna run the brush through my brows because this is an extra step that I do not feel like spending time on. But I can double this as an eyeshadow as well. It is so pigmented, you guys. Oh my goodness. I absolutely love this eye primer. So I have busted out the Pinky Lights. Pinky Rose. Bright Lights and by Pinky Rose. Yes, look at the colors in this palette. I love these colors so much. I have yet to do like a full-on look with this. I'm going to take the Brulee color, which is this color right here. It's like a corally orange. And I'm going to throw this in the crease. That's a beautiful color. And I did not go in super ham on this. It does not take much for this palette. I'm going to take a little, just a little angle brush here, and I'm going to go into Dreamsicle, which is like this super like corally. And I'm going to pop that on the outer of the lid. Because the rest of these colors, they're super like pressed glitter, so I don't really want to go into there for my my lid. But I'm going to do this Protege palette. And I'm going to take the Era color here, and this is actually the highlight color, and it's super gorgeous. And I'm just gonna pop that on the lid. And I'm gonna take the brown color that's in here, a liner. So I kind of took this into a fall direction, which is, I know we're doing, fall is upon us. I heard that some people were getting some super fall temperatures, but guess what, you guys? It's in the mid-90s where I live, so fall vibes, but not fall temps. I always can tell, isn't me? Like this, it's crazy. Like I can always tell when the seasons are changing, the way that like where the sun is. I know that that's common sense, and that's when I start getting like all those fuzzy fall feelings. Fall is not my favorite season, but I do like it better than summer. Anything's better than summer. So yeah, that is basically my eye look in a nutshell, and it is now 6:01. So between stopping and playing, I have done this beautiful eye look. I've done like this pops of orange and like sunflower with this beautiful gold on the lid. So now I am going to go in and do mascara, and then I'm going to do a lippy, and that's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. If I was doing this on my own and was not recording this, I could have this done in probably, I'd say probably 9.5 minutes, maybe 10. But I'm a firm believer in, you know, always having a backup look. I would do this style of look with any palette. I mean, you can do this with any colors you choose. It's just super easy to do. You know, go in with a light transition, go in with another color that's like a couple shades darker, or either lighter or cooler, and then go in, like, basically just take all the way in, all the way from here all the way in, and just blend in a super beautiful, like, bow pigment, you know, as far as shimmer goes, and you've got it made for an eye look, a super easy eye look. Do you feel like I need to curl my eyelashes? I wore lashes to work last night, you guys. Can you guys believe that? It's crazy, right? I wore the Samantha lashes by Huda, and they were so comfortable, and I did it kind of just testing to see if I could do it, and I can totally do it. I mean, nobody said anything, and it wasn't like I mean, it was obvious that I had the lashes on when I look in the mirror, but other people weren't like, oh my god, you have lashes on. Alright, so I'm going to go with the Telescopic Carbon. This is one of my favorite mascaras from the drugstore, because it is so easy to just quickly apply. I'm going to go with the second layer of, with the Kush, the Milk mascara, since the lashes are all spread out. Yes, I love that. Okay, so this look gives me a perfect reason to use one of my favorite Too Faced lippies, and it's called Sellout. And it's, my favorite one is Queen Bee, but this is warmer. This formula will stay put. Yeah, I like that a lot. I think it's look really pretty with this look. So I'm going to go on top of that with the Too Faced Lip Injection Glossy, and this is in the color Milkshake. Okay, for setting spray, because I definitely need to set my face. I feel like it's super matte. I'm going to go in with my Gerard Cosmetics Mystify. Just in case you guys didn't know, I don't know if it'll be sold out by the time this video gets posted, but the Gerard Cosmetics and Rich Lux collab is on sale today. So happy birthday, Rich Lux. Happy birthday, girl. You get 2 full size of the Gerard sprays. One of them is in mint chocolate chip, the other one is in orange dreamsicle. And then you get a small of the mint chocolate chip, and then you get a keepsake house. I will link Jen and Rich's video down below, just in case. I hope it's not sold out by the time you guys see this. But anyways, yes. So here we go with the this is the Mystify. It's the hydrating spray. Okay, yes. So that is it for my Get Ready With Me 10 minutes. This is hand sanitizer. And I really like the look. I love how the way it turned. I love how it turned out. So, you guys like it? Okay, I gotta go to work. I will see you guys on my next video. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up. Tap subscribe, hit ringing bell. I will support you back. I love you guys, but I will not argue with you. And I will see you guys later.